Hello, and welcome to another SYSPRO Quick Tip. I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to copy a stock code. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into stock code, which is under the inventory setup. This is the stock code maintenance screen. And in here, I don't have to go into anything. I can go straight to edit, and I can copy. And I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. First way is to copy. This is when you want to do a bunch at once. And then I can also optionally edit it after copying. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to do a bunch and just get it done, you can copy without editing each one. And if you want to edit each one after copying, it slows you down a bit, but then you have the option. So I'm going to copy without the edit. And first thing you have to do is select the stock code you're copying from. So in this case, I'll just do like an A100. And I'm going to copy it to A100B. And I have the option of editing the description. I'll just put a B at the end. And same thing with the long description. Alternate key 1, a lot of clients use it for the UPC code. You can enter that here. But these two alternate keys can be whatever alternate key you have set up with your system. Preferences, by default, this is usually collapsed. But what you can do is you can also copy the warehouse setup, which will zero the warehouse on hand and available, of course, but it'll put the warehouse in place. So if you have warehouse C for your stock code you're copying from, your new stock code will also have warehouse C. Or if you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you get all those with the new one. Optionally, you can retain some history so that the new stock code gets the history of the old stock code. You can also copy pricing, alternate supplier cross-references, and then custom forms, so custom fields that might be on the stock code setup. And then you can copy all of the different types of notes that go with it. So in this case, I'm just going to do the warehouse here, and I'm going to double check that I'm ready to go here. A100B, sure. Just going to hit save, go confirm, and there we go. I can immediately start doing my next copy. So the other option, just to confirm that was created properly, I can go to my A100B and you see all the information is already filled out. The other option that I have is to select the edit after copy, and then you see there's a tick box beside it, or a check mark. And then if I copy, I'll just quickly show you. I copy my B into a C, A100C. Change some names here. So now if I copy, check my preferences, you'll see that it'll immediately close this and go into edit mode. So now I'm in A100C and it's letting me edit. So if you're only copying one code and there's some things you need to change, you would just select that to save you a few clicks. But if you're copying a bunch, maybe you're replacing 3 or 4 parts with different numbers, you could do that without editing each one. Thanks for watching.